Hi there, welcome to SnR Investor, where we trade support and resistance. In this video, we will be talking about Bitcoin dollar cost averaging for the month of August 2023. We will cover the SnR analysis of Bitcoin, then we will touch on its August 2023 outlook, and I will recommend learning videos to learn the SnR way to dollar cost average and how you can draw your own support and resistance price levels. Here is a Bitcoin monthly chart. Before we can analyze the support and resistance, we need to draw the support and resistance for it first. So what we need to do is to look for clear A for resistance and clear V for support. So if we were to zoom in on the monthly chart, the first V we can see clearly is at 16,500. The next A that we can see is over here at 20,500. Then we have another support here, a very tiny V. Then we have another A over here, and we have another V over here, and lastly we have another recent A over here. So if we were to look for possible resistance above 30,400, so we were to look back, the most probable potential resistance next above 30,400 will be over at 35,000. So this is where a previous support, which has been broken in May 2022, will turn into a possible resistance level above 30,400. So if we were to look, these are the levels that we will be looking at to dollar cost average if price possibly react to them in some manner in August 2023 or further. Some important SnR moments for Bitcoin before August 2023. First, in January 2023, Bitcoin broke out of its monthly resistance over here. On March 2023, it retested its broken monthly resistance, and this resistance turns into a support for future reference, and price continued to move upwards. In June 2023, Bitcoin broke out of its monthly resistance again. Here is a monthly chart of Bitcoin. I have drawn out the support and resistance levels and denoted the prices. So here you can see I've denoted the resistance with a small letter R and the support levels with the small letter S. M is to identify the monthly levels, and W will be to identify the weekly level. So for the month of August 2023, we'll be looking at possible resistance at $30,400, $35,000, and for possible support levels where Bitcoin might revisit, we will be looking at 29,200 to 16,500 prices that might become potential support where the price will react at. At any of these support levels, Bitcoin might react to the price level and start to make an up move towards the monthly resistance. For August 2023, the possible trend seems to be a downtrend. We will look to continue to buy Bitcoin if the weekly or monthly price close above $30,400. It's good to take partial profits if you are in profit now, below 30,400 to 29,200. The best price to start dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin is near or below $27,200. Importantly, it's only safe to take DCA entry into Bitcoin when the price reacts at the potential support only after a weekly or monthly price closes above the support level. In summary, it's good to DCA if Bitcoin break above its resistance at 30,400 in August, or to DCA if price have a support under 27,200. Now is a good time to take partial profit at or near US dollar 30,400 to 29,200. So it's important to note that support and resistance can be broken, so you should not simply place a DCA buy order at stated support price levels. It's important to wait for a weekly or monthly candle to close above the support level, which will indicate a potential support of price before you DCA into Bitcoin. How you can confirm a bounce of support and resistance? You need to ask yourself, is there a candle close above the support and resistance level? Here is a monthly time frame chart and example. So over here, if you have a line chart on, you want the line chart to have its closing price above the monthly support level. For candlestick chart, you want the closing price of the candle, as shown here, to be above the support level. Here are two recommended videos to start your DCA learning at SnR Investor. One will teach you how to dollar cost average the SnR way by price instead of by time, and how you can draw your support and resistance by yourself. You can also check out the support and resistance SnR Investor essential tutorials playlist in the description below. We have reached the end of this video analysis of Bitcoin for August 2023. If you like what you have heard, please give this video a like and subscribe to receive future updates. So see you at next month's update. Goodbye.